Well, hi there pluckers, I was Fingers again with you. Thanks indeed for joining me for hopefully another interesting lesson for some of you at least. A while ago now I did a lesson on a song from Bread called Make It With You, which has proved to be very popular. Obviously it was my take on a single acoustic guitar arrangement of the song, and I tried to keep in it as much of the lead work as I could whilst I was playing the rhythm bits and pieces, yeah. But obviously there's a limit to how much lead work I could put in, and there was quite a bit I had to leave out. So I thought I'd make another lesson now and show you how with another guitarist you could put in all the other bits that I missed out and make the job a bit more complete. Okay, so the first bit I'm going to show you is the bit that goes where it goes da 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 da. That sort of thing. Okay, now on my single guitar arrangement I did actually manage to play the D flat, but obviously I couldn't do any bending or anything, so I thought that's the first thing I'd attempt to show you. Okay, but also during the A bit and the G sharp minor, it goes da 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 da. Before the bendy bit, there is the guitar. The lead guitar is actually going. Before he does the fancy bit, okay, he's doing this little chord bit. Okay, so let's show you that first. So on the A bit, da 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 da, the lead guitarist is playing an A chord, but as a D chord shape on the 9th and 10th fret. And I'm just concentrating on the top 3 strings, and it's very simple. It's 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 1 2. Okay. Okay. And then the second, when it goes down to G sharp minor, he's going same picking, 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2, and it's an A flat minor or a G sharp minor. First finger is playing the 7th fret of the top E string. Second finger is playing the 8th fret of the 3rd string, and third finger is playing the 9th fret of the 2nd string. And it's 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2. So now you've got and now he does the flash bit. Okay, and that bit is 6th fret of the 4th string, the 3rd string, and the 2nd string, and then he bends the 6th fret of the 2nd string up and lets it go again. Okay, then the 6th fret of the 3rd string, 6th fret of the 4th string, and then the 4th fret of the 4th string. So so the whole thing is like it goes da 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 da, that bit. Okay, so what he's playing there is okay, Make It With You. Now the second bit I want to show you is during that, in between the end of the chorus and the next verse, there's this bit. Okay, that bit. So let's do that bit. So I'm playing the 2nd fret of the 3rd string. Sorry, 2nd fret of the 4th string. I'm ahead of myself there. 2nd fret of the 4th string, the D string, up to the 2nd fret of the 5th string, 2 hits on that, so it's, and then back to the 2nd on the 4th, so it's, and then you go up to the 4th fret of the 4th string, back to the 2nd fret of the 4th string. Okay, then to the 4th fret of the 5th string, and then to the 2nd fret of the 5th string, the A string, 3 times. So what we've got now is okay, got that? You can slide that if you want as well. Okay, got that bit? I'll slow that very slowly for you. Okay, then there's a slide from the 4th fret of the 3rd string, the G string, up to the 6th fret, and then back to the 4th fret of the 3rd string. So now we've got this. Okay, then we'll repeat the beginning bit of that again, and then we stop at that point. Okay, so single on the 4th string, 2nd fret, 2 on the 2nd fret of the 5th string, back to the 4th string, 2nd fret, 4th fret, 2nd string, 4th string, back to the 2nd fret of the 4th string, just like the first time you played it. Right? So far now we've got this. Okay, as far as we've got. And the final bit is a slide, and then we go up to the 7th fret of the 4th string, to the 6th fret of the 4th string, to the 4th fret of the 4th string, and we end finishing up on the 2nd fret of the 4th string, all on the D string there. Okay, so now you've got this. Okay, just that, slide up to the 7th fret on the 4th, 6th fret on the 4th, 4th fret of the 4th, 2nd on the 4th. So, if you want, you can also palm mute that. Just rest your back edge of your hand there very, very lightly on those strings near the bridge somewhere, so you get a sort of muffledy it's up to you, however you want it to sound. Okay, so that's that bit done. Right, now we come to the main solo. Right, so the main solo starts off with this classical, that bit. Okay, so what I'm doing there, 4th fret of the 2nd string, B string. Play it whichever finger is more comfortable for you. I'm using my 3rd finger, but that's totally up to you. Okay, there's no right and wrong in this. So you pluck it on the 4th fret and you bend it up, let it go, bend it up, let it go. Okay, all in one go, you just one hit. Okay, bend, hit, bend, down, up, down. Okay, okay. Then we go to the 4th fret of the 3rd string. Alright. Then the 6th fret of the so it's 4th fret. Sorry, bend. 4th fret of the 3rd string. 4th fret of the 3rd string. 6th fret of the 4th string. Right. Down to the 4th fret of the 4th string. And then 2 hits on the 6th fret of the 4th string. So. Got that? Slowly. 4th fret of the 3rd string, 6th fret of the 4th string, 4th fret of the 4th string, and then 2 hits on the 6th fret of the 4th string. Right? Right, now comes a slightly tricky bit. That bit, okay? Right, so I'm starting up on the 2nd fret of the 5th, and I'm hammering up to the 4th fret on the 5th. Alright? And you do the same on the 4th string, 2nd fret of the 4th string to the 4th fret of the 4th string. Right? Then then you hit that note again, 4th fret of the 4th string, hit that one again, and then you slide it up to the 6th fret on the 4th string. Or if you can get it quick enough, you don't even have to hit it, but it's that 4th fret to the 6th fret of the 4th, okay? It's safest you hit it probably. And then you go to that 4th fret of the 3rd string. Right, so then we go to the 6th fret of the 3rd string, and then finally the 5th fret of the 2nd string, the B string, okay? And that's the whole run, okay? So it's slowly, very slowly. Okay, got that? Now we come to the second half of the thing. So far we've got this. Let's just go as far as we've got with this, okay? Okay, that's as far as we've got. Now the second bit, you would be tempted to do the same to start it off as you did before, with exactly the same, but if you listen to it, he's not doing that. He's actually hammering up and pulling off. He's doing that. Okay, so I'm putting my first finger on that 4th fret of the 2nd string, the B string, hammering up to the 5th fret, and then pulling off twice. Just one hit, hammer, pull off, hammer, up, off. Okay, then you do the 4th fret of the 3rd string again, 6th fret of the 4th, 4th fret of the 4th, 6th fret of the 4th, but this time we go to the 2nd fret of the 4th. Okay, so now we've got this. Okay, got that? Right, so now the whole thing so far, slowly. Now we go back to the 5th fret of the 2nd string. Right, so dun dun dun, so that's 3 hits on that 5th fret of the 2nd string. Down to the 4th fret, I'm doing that with my 2nd finger, okay? Then go to the 4th fret of the 2nd string with the 1st finger. Then I'm doing the 6th fret of the 3rd. Back to the 4th fret of the 2nd, up to the 5th fret of the 2nd, so it's back to the 4th fret of the 2nd, to the 4th fret of the 3rd, so now we've got Right, so let's just do that again. Bit of a pause, and then there's a little bar there, and I put a little bar on the 1st finger, barring the 4th fret of the 2nd string and the 3rd string. Then we play the 2nd string on the 4th fret, the 3rd string on the 4th fret. Then we put pick the 4th string on the 6th fret. Down to the 4th fret on the 4th string, so and then 2 hits on that 6th fret on the 4th. So this whole thing so far in this second section is hang on, I've forgotten how it goes now. Got that? So let's try and do the whole thing. So here we go, from the beginning, the first one as well. Here we go. I'm off to another verse. Okay, got that? So let's just go through it a little bit quicker. Okay. What I'm doing there is an F sharp minor and then an A, lazy A, okay? And you're back into the song. And the only other thing I can is the right bit right on the end of the song, on the sort of fade out, because back into the song there's a bit like that as it sort of plays the outro. And it goes between 2 chords, so it's there's those 2 little phrases. Okay, I really think I could make it, you know, that. There's those 2 phrases. Okay, so it's a slide from the 7th fret of the 2nd string up to the 9th fret of the 2nd string, to the 7th fret of the top E string, to the 9th fret of the 2nd, and slide down to the 7th on the 2nd. And you do exactly the same thing, but on the 2nd fret, to the 4th fret on the 2nd, to the 1st string on the 2nd fret, and then the 4th fret of the 2nd sliding down to the 2nd fret on the 2nd. Same thing you did here, but on, so it goes from those 2. If you listen to the record you hear it. It's right on the outro of the song where it goes make it with you, and then it goes that sort of thing. Okay, so that's it, some extra little bits for you to get together with another guitarist and fill in the gaps. Hope you enjoyed that, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Thanks a lot, bye for now.